and today we have
Logan with Nice Grass, Minnesota.
So if you have any problems with your lawn, if you want to repair your lawn, this is your guy. You have Logan right here, and he's gonna take care of our lawn today. You can see we're doing some aeration and reseeding for the fall. So the very first thing you want to do in this situation is identify your sprinkler heads. As you can see, I don't have the flags to identify my sprinkler heads. I have like makeshift sprinkler head flags that I'm using. I just use like little Indian bamboos, and I use it as my flag. When we got the aeration part going, we're aerating.
All you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want you to know.
As you can see the little particles of the soil that has been aerated, and this detaches the soil from this little particles. We're gonna have like seed. When the seed has been spread on the ground, that's where it goes in those little holes, and from there we're gonna get germination, and we are gonna have the perfect lawn. I cannot wait.
Secret star in your heart to say.
My entire lawn is about 18,300 square foot. It's a lot of land. As you can see, the aeration is done on this side. I just need to have the back side completed, and then we can begin the reseeding process. So again, as you can see, look at the pieces of dirt. This is really gonna loosen the soil. And even if you were not reseeding, this alone actually helps the soil, because it helps the lawn, because now water and nutrients can actually go into the soil much more better. So this is always a good thing to do, at least every year, in my opinion.
Tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Logan, can you tell me what kind of seed we're using today?
This is the Tough Turf Mix from Twin City Seed Company, located in Edina, Minnesota.
Awesome. And what kind of blend is in there? Is it like
It's a Kentucky Bluegrass mix, perennial rye, and tall fescue. So you get a good mix of all three Minnesota grasses to help promote growth no matter the temperature and time of year.
Awesome. Thank you so much. There you go. I'll tell you one way to know about somebody that knows what they're doing. It's the kind of spreader they use. Anybody that uses this spreader, they definitely know what they're using. Because the Scott spreader is, I'm not gonna say anything bad about them, but it is what it is.